Alright, how to get tracks into Rekordbox quick. Alright, I assume you've already got some shortcuts over here. If not, browse to your Explorer, go ahead, find where your music is, right click on it, add the shortcut. You can then drag those around, organize them. There you go. You can delete them too. Delete that shortcut. I'm making doubles. Alright, so then go to your new music, let's say. You're gonna want to organize them by date created. Get you all the latest stuff you've added in to be the most recent. Let's do this Ashes track. Just double click on it. Track's up in there. Alright, first thing, set your beats or bars, however you count, however you mix. I'm using 16 beats for this example. And on your track, go find the big first bass kick. As you can see, it looks good. Looks pretty good. But when you zoom all the way in, it's not good. Then go to your grid. If this isn't a whole number, type in the nearest whole number, round it up or down. That will save you a bunch of headaches, keep your beats from drifting. Alright, then hit this first bar thing. Hit C on your keyboard. M is a memory point. Your left arrows move 16 beats at a time. And then C and then M. 2 more. C, M. 1 more just in case you start the track there. Sometimes you want to mix drop to drop. You can put another one right before this. Right there, CM. You can 1 through 8 are your hot cues. Oh, you can just add a hot cue in there. This is the first one in the song, so maybe one there. And then there's this whole middle section. You might want to jump over. Put another hot cue. Hot cue right at that drop, C. And then let's do 4. 4 hot cue D. Now your track's playing. Gets to this boring breakdown part. You can jump right to it. Yeah, you get it. So, 32 bars before this track section ends. So, find that last beat in the section. Hit C, over twice, M, out, C, and then M, or it'll put a memory point in your last hot cue. You can delete hot cues over here in this window pretty easily. And then do the same thing for the outro. C, over 2, C, M, over 2 to the right, C, M, that's the actual outro. If you have a long outro like this, you might want to mix out just the second half. You get a ton of memory points, use them up. That's 9. Should be good. Oh yeah, and then let's see. B, as in boy, is back 1 memory point. N is the next memory point. If you want to jump through your song, add more memory points or hot cues. That's a really easy way to do it. Here, let's see if we can get this to work. So if this is playing, and right at the end of this, you want to jump to the next drop. Then you just skip that whole boring breakdown, and this one will tell you can mix out 32 bars while it's still playing. This will let you know it's 32 bars mix out time while it's breaking down, or 32 bars over the real outro. Most DJs are going to mix from this 32 bar and to that one. I'll get over how I mix and where I set my hot cues when I'm setting up a mix in the next video.